Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this short tutorial, I will show you how to easily change your country and region in the Temu app. This option is useful for customizing your shopping experience, allowing you to access different products and services available in various countries. I will guide you step by step through the process so you can easily make this change. If you're ready, let's get started. First, open your Temu app and log into your account. Next, when you are on the homepage of the Temu app, tap on the profile icon located at the bottom of the screen to go to your profile page. Then, tap on the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen to access the settings. Once you're in the settings, find the option labeled Country/Region and tap on it. Now on this page, you can see a list of available countries and regions. Keep in mind that Temu may not be available in all regions yet, but stay optimistic. Temu is expanding quickly and could be in your area soon. Also, in some cases, there may be additional information about specific services, products, or offers available in the selected region. So, now select your desired region, and then in the pop-up window that appears, tap the Switch to button to change to the selected region. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more useful videos. See you very soon, and thank you for watching.